Well, Jesse is scaring me with this talk about the coldest air of the season lurking in the forecast.
You like the word lurking?
I do like the word lurking,
Yeah.
although not when it comes to cold air.
Yeah, so here's what I tell people on social media. The social media is going wild, of course, you know. With what I call the weather weenies. They share modelers.
I might be one of them.
It's gonna be, no, I mean like not the ones that are scared of weather, the ones that get real excited about stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna get cold, but, and stay with me here, this is weird. It's January.
It's supposed to be cold,
Crazy.
right?
This is the first time this has ever happened. Let's start here.
We're making history.
You know, something tells me, Teresa. Now, I'm not the best meteorologist in the world. I bet it's going to get hot in August.
I bet you're right there. Yeah,
We're going to see. Now,
you are the best meteorologist, Jesse.
Don't take my word for it, but it does get hot in August. It gets cold in January. We're going to see what happens. We have the clear skies now, finally. We'll get some sunshine tomorrow. That's going to be nice. That's ahead of our next storm system that's right there. There it is. It's our Monday rainmaker. It gets here Monday. That's why it's called the Monday rainmaker. So here it comes. Sunday, we're quiet. Tomorrow looks great. Highs will be a little bit warmer than they were today. We'll have sunshine, so it's going to feel a lot better than it did. A lot of the day today was cloudy. We finally broke out into some sun for the second half of the day. Now, Monday morning commute. I don't like the way it looks. I think we're going to have scattered showers. We're going to have some thunderstorms. No severe weather here in North Texas, but some pockets of heavy rain there, 7 a.m. Look at that, pretty widespread rain, a couple thunderstorms at 9 o'clock in the morning Monday. There it is at noon. Most of the heavy rain is in East Texas at that time. Here comes the cold front. So Monday, we'll spend in the upper 50s, the low 60s. We'll have scattered showers and storms through the afternoon. Cold fronts on top of DFW at about 4 p.m. East Texas seeing the thunderstorms at that time. Then the cold front clears the area. Now, that's not the end of the story, okay? We'll see about a quarter to a half an inch of rain, okay? Which is what we've seen the last several events. The severe threat stays southeast of our area, maybe Henderson County, maybe Navarro County sees a gusty thunderstorm, but that's it. The second part of this story is how windy it's going to get behind this cold front. So Monday night into Tuesday, these are wind gusts, 40 to 50 miles per hour. This is outside of thunderstorms. So I would expect we're going under a wind advisory at some point Monday into Tuesday. So wind gust Monday night into Tuesday, 40 to 50 miles an hour. That's out of the north, so it gets a lot colder on Tuesday following the cold front. Tonight, 35, partly cloudy, cold, dry, some patchy fog is possible tonight. Tomorrow, 60, mostly sunny skies, warmer, dry, breezy. 14-day, let's talk about that. So it does get colder, but take a look. We have one shot of cold air that comes in for the weekend. Saturday's high will be in the 40s, so will Friday's. Lows will be in the 20s Saturday morning. Some, especially north of the Metroplex, might be into the teens Saturday morning. Then a reinforcing shot of cold air gets here around MLK Day, a high of 40. And then Tuesday, 38. I have lows in the mid-20s. There's a chance I drop them a little more, just kind of playing it cool for now. You know, we're going to just stay there, but I don't see any precip with this. That's the million-dollar thing there, is we're not talking snow and ice, just a shot of some pretty cold air, but it looks to rebound shortly after.
If we're going